Good morning, one and all. So today topic is R2R ladder. So it is a digital to analog converter. So what is DAC means? It will be converts the digital data in binary input into it will be converts to analog form data. So here R2R ladder, it is a ladder network. It will be consist of parallel combination of R and 2 R and R2. This network is called R2R ladder network. Here we have the switches, different types of switches: S0, S1, S2, S3, and we have to connect the V reference signal, and this is inverting amplifier. So inverting amplifier, it will be produce the output 180 degrees phase shift. So this is the DAC is the most popular DAC. It uses as a ladder network. It will be consist of combination of R and 2 network. So this is the only one advantage of ladder type resistive network. It requires R and 2R. It will be combination of R and 2R networks. It will be work as R2R network. So when we have the different signals, we have to different binary inputs given. Have a 4-bit binary input is given here. So here we have the MSB bit, most significant bit. This side is LSB. LSB means least significant bit. So we have to different binary inputs are given. So it depends on input, output will be produced. So for example, we have to, when the input is 1 1 0 0, so 1 is the most significant bit. So here 0 and 3 zeros are least significant bits. So when when S3 is switch on, switch close, S3 is switch close, remaining switches are open circuit. So open circuit, so this circuit we can reroute like this. So this 2R is grounded, 2R is this S0 is open circuit, it is grounded. So 2R is grounded, next 2R. So this 2R is S0 is also open circuit, S1 also open circuit, it is also grounded. So next S2 is also open circuit, so it is also grounded. Next there is a reference is closed circuit, the reference voltage is closed circuit. So S3 is the closed circuit, means we have to VR voltage, V reference is applied to the 2R resistor. This V reference voltage, this is the V in voltage. So by simplifying we can get the 2R and 2R. So how will the parallel combination of 2R will get the R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So we can get the parallel combination of 2R equivalent resistance is R. So R plus R, these two resistors are series, next 2R. So again this is the parallel combination of 2R resistor, we will get the R. So R plus R, we can get the 2R. So again we can get the parallel combination of 2R, we can get the equivalent resistance R plus R, 2R. Finally we can get the circuit 2R parallel with the 2R resistor. It is a voltage divider circuit. So we can get the voltage divider, voltage equal to V in is equal to V reference total voltage into the voltage across this resistor 2R by total resistance. We can get the Vi is equal to V reference by 2R. So when V reference by 2R, when the input is 1 0 0 0, similarly we can get the different analog outputs across. So we have to apply the, when the this 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So this is the input of binary input of the this R2R ladder. So Vin is the Vin when S2 is on, remaining all switches are grounded. So we will get the Vin is equal to V reference by 4. So similarly binary input is 0 1 1 0, then S1 is on, we can get the VA reference by 8. Similarly, the binary input 0001 S0 is on, we can get the V in is equal to V reference by 16. So by combining these four inputs, four different inputs, we can get this equation. So we'll get the output is equal to, here it is a inverting amplifier, output is equal to minus Rf by R1 into Vin. So we have the different types of input. This is a summing amplifier, so this is a summing amplifier. So here this is one of the input. So this is a one of input is the S0 is on. This is a one of input when S1 is on. This is a one of input S2 is on. This is a one of input S3 is on. So this is S3 on, S2 on, S1 on, S0 on. So this is a summation amplifier. We'll get the summing amplifier. In this way, this is the converts the digital input to analog output. So it is the most widely used. Why it is most popular? Okay. So I hope it is understandable all of you. Thank you all.